Want to remove dark spots in Photoshop without losing your natural skin texture? Let's begin. Press Ctrl+J twice to create two copies. Click on the eye icon to turn off the top layer and select the middle one. Right-click and select Convert to Smart Object. Go to the Options bar and click on Filter, Noise, and then Median. Set the radius. You can try other values depending on the image you're working on. Click OK. Navigate to the adjustment and add a solid fill and change the color, like so. Select the color fill layer. Right-click and convert to Smart Object. Change the blend mode to Overlay. Again, go to Filter, Noise, Add Noise, and make these changes. Make sure monochromatic is checked. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Set the radius to 1 pixels. Now select the top layer and turn it on. Change the blend mode to Vivid Light. Go to Filter, Other, High Pass. Set the radius to 1 pixels. Press Ctrl+G to put them in a group. Click on FX icon and choose Blending Options. Navigate to the underlying layer blend, hold Alt, and click on the black slider to split it. Do the same with the white slider and move it to the left side. Hold the Alt key and click this icon to add a black layer mask. Navigate to the Tools panel and select the Brush tool. Choose a soft round brush. Set the opacity to 100% and reduce the flow to 20%. Press X to switch the foreground color to white. Paint gradually to remove the dark spots. Here's a look at the before and after. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future tutorials.